Okay. Oh, we're going down. Oh, no. Okay. We gotta make it now. Open. We gotta make it now.
They opening the door, husband. Watch it. Oh, husband.
She did it.
Dang it. That's why I said watch it, because I seen him.
You are sick. Video protected. I have a dash cam. If you want to be a psychopath, I'll let your plate number 2. I didn't touch you, you crazy. Go ahead. Go ahead, I've got you recorded. Good for you. I'll run you over. Get the out of the way.
Never let my heart go away. Oh my God.
Is it us or him?
No, it's him.
Dude,
It's green light for us. Are you dumb?
It's fucking green light.
You dumb?
My green light.
It was green.
It was my green.
It was green for
Are
us.
you dumb?
No,
We have it
was
all
not
on
green
camera.
for you.
We have it on camera, buddy.
I literally have it all on camera. You're all on camera.
But it was my green.
But
No,
it was
it's
green
not.
for us.
Holy shit.
Because whoever planted the bomb wanted the next person in here to yank open the cupboard door, Joe said. That sobering thought put a damper on his humor. They didn't have a specific target.
Oof. Oh, shit.
And if you don't fight like hell, you're not going to have a country.
Dominion?
Chinese people.
Who bought the Dominion voting thing? I believe
Chinese people look Chinese.
bought the voting